Hello everybody, today I'm at the Mckenzie where we'll actually become the Mckenzie Interchange again. And look, this is some of their fastest process I've ever seen. They have already paved over the new ramp, as you can see. It's only been about 2 weeks since I did my last update this time, and sorry about all the wind noise. It's a really windy day. In fact, there's a wind warning in effect. Like 70 knots of wind is possible. Really windy. But there's my bike again. Just biking home from work today. And look, there's the beginning of that new ramp. And they eventually widened the Mckenzie Avenue. That's Mckenzie Avenue right there. And they'll eventually put a new center divider, or hopefully they will, in the middle lane. So see here, I'm on the same new bridge again, and there's the other overpass that just got built too, and there's the Galloping Goose. Still unpaved, but the bridge is already paved. So if you look that way, they also built a new ramp, you can see. And there's the highway. Now it's during rush hour, and look at all the traffic. Just look. So it's actually not that bad. It's only like 2:30 in the afternoon right now. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. As always, stay tuned for more videos and stay subscribed. I forgot to mention that there's still some fencing over there by the goose. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy and stay subscribed as always.